Hello there everyone, it's your Mad Hatter Barber right here, Craig. Your Mad Hatter Barber again. How are ya? Anyway, today I ordered a set from Wahl. I'm going to show it to you. Anyway, the set is this Wahl box. Okay, let's call it Wahl case. Right. You can see there. There we go, closer. There we go. So in this set, it comes with a senior and a beret, clippers and a clipper and trimmer. Anyway, this whole set cost me I think it's about $350, I think it might have been, off the top of my head, Australian dollars that is. But if you just want the case on its own from Wahl, it's about anywhere between $50 and $60 Australian dollars. Okay. So I'm gonna take the stuff out of it. So yeah, that's what it comes with, the beret. I've already done video on the beret, so if you go through my videos you will come across the unboxing and the conclusion video of the beret, and it also comes with the cordless seniors here as well. And I've also done a video of the unboxing and the conclusion of these cordless seniors as well, so I won't be opening these two. They're just spares, I don't really want to use them. Anyway, there's the, right on my thumb. Anyway, there's the inside the case there. Now, me personally, I wouldn't buy this case if it didn't come with those others that I just showed you. Only for the fact that it looks nice. Don't get me wrong, the cosmetic side of it looks nice, but it's very flimsy. You don't want to drop it. You'd be afraid that it'd probably break. That's why it's only probably worth around $50 Australian. These latches, as you can see, there. Push down, but they do lock, okay? So it does come with a key. You can fit if the key works. Probably putting it upside down. There we go. Right, so it does lock, alright? So it's about 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters, roughly. Okay, and by about 10 centimeters from here to here. So around 30 centimeters from here to here, and around 40 centimeters from here to here. Okay. It's not made out of the most strongest material. I think the handle feels plastic to me. Even all this here just looks plastic. Like I said, even though it's wooden, it's very thin. I'd say maybe 2 millimeter. just feeling it, yeah, maybe a millimetre in thickness. So don't get any water on it, might deteriorate it. But anyway, self-preference. You could probably find them on eBay at a reasonable price as well, or ask your supplier. They also come in a black frame as well. Alright, but I would have got the black frame, but it wasn't available to get it with this deal. Anyway, there you go. There's the yeah. Alrighty, anyway, that's it from me. Hope everyone's keeping well. Keep up the good work, whatever's happening for you. Alright, take it easy. If you like my videos, I know they're pretty raw, I don't edit them. They are what they are. Yeah, hit the subscribe, bell, like, leave a comment, I'll answer it. And yeah, tell me why you're going to barbering, what you enjoy about it. Alright, catch us later.